buying too many Timberland boots? Bro, I'll be 44 years old in 2 months, but my Gbola is still very strong. And I last long, and I knack very well. It's not because I'm special. It is because I've been very intentional. You could wonder why my Gbola is strong at 44. It's because of what I eat and drink. If you are not taking this tea, if your husband is not taking this tea, you are making a mistake. It's something you can make yourself at home. You don't need to go to any store to buy any special thing. Any man can make a woman release multiple times. So I'm going to show you some of the things I do every morning. I don't care if you judge me right now, because this is just my vlog and I'm going to do it just the way I feel. I'm not here to brag, I'm not here to show off, I'm just here to be myself. I don't care how you think right now. This is just me, I'm doing me. Go with Harrison, go with my style, or do it your way. So this is one thing I always use to take my tea every morning. So just the way I used to put bread inside tea, but I don't eat bread anymore. It's not healthy. Please, just let me do my thing my way. Don't feel irritated, I beg. It is my tea, not your tea. Do you, I do me. I love books, but guess what? I don't read them. I prefer I watch videos or listen to audiobook. I buy books for decoration. That's just the truth. I have my white Timberland here already, my butter color Timberland. This is another butter color Timberland. And this is my Sanchez with a spore. Don't eat sausage roll. Don't eat it. It's not good for your body as you get older. Why are you buying too many Timberland boots? Bro, what I love, I buy. I'm only going to live once. I'm not going to just waste my time not enjoying my life. Go through my day with me. Let me show you how I start my day. T.O. is gonna drop H2O when you turn the pro like T.I.T.O. T.O. is gonna drop H2O when you turn the pro like T.I.T.O. This is Go with Harrison. So the first thing I try to do in the morning when I wake up in the morning, I make sure I make my tea. These are the things I use in making my tea. You can get these things anywhere. All of these things put together, it not cost past, how much? 15,000 naira too much. Everything is less than $10. Everything here is less than $10. I remove them from the main container to put them in my glass bottles to make sure you not just know wetin them be. If you want to know, you go reach out to me, make I tell you how you go to know wetin them be. You fit get them everywhere where you dey. I know they sell them. I go just tell you what you need to get. See, instead when I go to drink coffee, useless coffee. Instead when I go to drink useless tea, I know they take them. That one a useless thing. They take that thing because it buy Gbola. Because they put some things where go affect Gbola. They go tell you say coffee good. But they put something inside where they make them. They very good for you to enjoy, but bad for your Gbola. Meanwhile, so what I do is I try to make my tea early in the morning. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get my kettle. There was this day I was boiling water. I saw my kettle catch fire. This place started burning. I don't want to tell you I damaged another kettle in the house that my wife is still upset about. So you see, anything where I concern Gbola and wisdom, they take it to wisdom, now they take it do Gbola matter. Because as a woman gets older, pretty good and hungry and well, and she gets sweeter as she gets older. So if na me be you, I go do it, you go make my Gbola get bright future. Imagine say you dey knack woman, say water could just come out for Toto continuously. Baba, you feed one Toto go do. When Toto they do like that, it dey make woman belly sweet. All these things now they mix together. When I don't mix them together, I will just heat them up. So make it just boil. Once the thing heat up, I go fit drink them. When I couldn't afford Timberland boots, I can remember buying this 4,000 naira from Okrika store. just to be able to wear something nice to make a video look good. Okay? Sometimes you just have to go all the way to do what you need to do to create a nice feel. But I can't wear this anymore. You know why? I eventually bought a Timberland boot. I didn't just buy a Timberland boot. Guess what? I bought another white Timberland boot. Besides buying another white Timberland boot, guess what I did? I just bought another Timberland boot. Now you ask me, how come? Why are you buying too many Timberland boots? Bro, what I love, I buy. I'm only going to live once. I'm not going to just waste my time not enjoying my life. Now, do you know the interesting thing about this? I can decide to gift one out to anybody. And I can decide not to wear one and just leave it in my wardrobe for decoration, just to fill the space of my rack of arranging shoes. Why did I choose to talk about my Timberland boots? Sometimes in life, you don't have what you need to do what you need to do to achieve your desired result. And it can be discouraging. I have been there. But guess what? Manage what is available. That is why I was able to use that other shoe that I bought 4,000 naira to be able to achieve what I needed to achieve. But you saw the videos went viral. I made money from the videos, and I was able to use that same money to buy 3 pairs of Timberland boots. And I'm going to buy more. I've asked them to help me send like 4 extra colors. That's just me. When I wear Timberland boots, I feel very gallant. I love to be stylish. I grew up in early 90s. I'm 81 baby, but guess what? Early 90s, when I became conscious of fashion, hip-hop culture is what influenced me. So that is why you see me dress the way I dress. Yes, I don't want to age in a painful way. I want to age gracefully. I want to age in style. That is who I am. Now my tea is ready. So this is what I'm going to drink all day, all day. So when they tell you you are what you drink, you are what you eat, it is true. Those of you taking alcohol, run away from it. You don't need it. Okay? Run away from alcohol. You don't need it. In this vlog today, you're going to see me go to a local market. It's actually a warehouse where they sell tokumbo things, somewhere around Ijesha, Sele side, along the road that leads to my 2. So what am I going there to do? I'm going to look for pressing iron table, the ironing table. I'm going to go look for that so that I can use it to iron in my wardrobe. I just created a walk-in wardrobe. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I want to have a collapsible ironing table there so that I can iron my clothes there. But I have like 21 shirts, white shirts that I'm going to take to dry cleaner today for them to help me iron. I can't stress myself ironing 21 shirts. That's a lot, white shirts, and I don't want to stain them. Though I have, what's it called, the steamer for laundry, but I don't want to use that. Sometimes I get very bored because all I do and think of is content creation, doing research, attending to clients, and I take out time to play with my kids a lot. I take out time to hang out with my wife. I don't really have the patience to watch movies. Netflix, I have a problem with Netflix. You know why? They have too many things for me to pick from. So sometimes I get so confused. I have a TV that I use in watching Netflix. It's a smart TV, but I hate the fact that I can't just say, hey, TV, play this particular one. I have to start using remotes to type and search. I don't like it. It's stressful for me. I just like the phone experience, the tab experience. You just see it, you just tap it straight up. Now I have to start typing. On a tab, I can easily just type and just do what I need to do. I love books, but guess what? I don't read them. I prefer I watch videos or listen to audiobook. I buy books for decoration. That's just the truth. I don't care if you judge me right now because this is just my vlog and I'm going to do it just the way I feel. I'm not here to brag, I'm not here to show off, I'm just here to be myself. I don't care how you think right now. This is just me, I'm doing me. Go with Harrison, go with my style, or do it your way. So this is one thing I always use to take my tea every morning. this is sesame seed, okay? So just the way I used to put bread inside tea, but I don't eat bread anymore. It's not healthy. Please, just let me do my thing my way. Don't feel irritated, I beg, I beg. It is my tea, not your tea. Do you, I do me. This thing sweet. Now to keep my Gbola healthy nowadays. So. You could wonder why my Gbola is strong at 44. It's because of what I eat and drink. If you are not taking this tea, if your husband is not taking this tea, you are making a mistake. It's something you can make yourself at home. You don't need to go to any store to buy any special thing. I know they sell them, but if you want the update, at the end of this video, you go see my number at the end of this video. Some of you when even know my number, could just even call them 09012 100 200. If they call me from outside Nigeria, add +234. Now where they use any oil they cook. I beg, they use olive oil. They use olive oil they cook, but this one is spray oil. In case I just want to do something where I need to just spray oil. Okay, this is just my breakfast. If I could chop anything now, maybe I'll just eat 2 boiled eggs. And that's all I have for my breakfast. Then lunch, I can decide to just buy chicken and eat only chicken. If at all you want to eat swallow, please, I advise that you eat eba that is made from Ijebu garri. That one where they slap mouth. Because it is fermented, it becomes very rich because it's probiotic for your body. They help the boost hormone and it will also help you boost testosterone level. Okay? If you don't want to chop eba, you fit take unsweetened Greek yogurt. I take it a lot, unflavored Greek yogurt. Or you eat akpu, the one when they smell well, because of the fermentation. A probiotic be that, so don't miss it. Take it. Then above all, I will advise maybe to eat lots of vegetables. Those of you watching, this is not my kitchen. This is just my personal set for cooking. So it's my set kitchen or kitchen set, whichever way you want to call it. So this is where sometimes I'm working late. I just want to boil tea. I just want to chill, or I have a visitor. We're just hanging out inside my studio. This is actually my studio. I can just make tea for my friend or just decide to make tea for my clients. We just sit and talk. It's like a workstation for me because my laptop is right there on the other side, on the other table. Okay, I'll show you the other corner of this set so you know what it's like. All right. Remember I said I'm going to the warehouse today to buy ironing board. And remember I said I'm going to show you my walk-in wardrobe. This is my walk-in wardrobe. So this is where I do some of my reading, even when I don't like reading. But you know, I still have to read and do research, but it's good to read. If you want to succeed in anything you're doing in life, be intentional about what you do. Start where you are. My life didn't start like this. One step at a time, I started adding value to my life to fulfill every step of my dream. Start something now and be rest assured, as you get older, you realize that lines will be falling in pleasant places for you. That is the promise of God for us, because His plans for us are of good and not of evil. I assure you that your days will get better as you work smarter and be able to stay more devoted and dedicated to what you're doing. In the end, you'll look back and be happy. This is the screen of what I'm shooting right now, even when I'm shooting with the back camera. But because I'm here, I can see it. This is what I'm seeing right now. Look at it. Amazingly, I have extra one of this. Anything I buy, I always buy two of it. That's why you saw me having two butter color Timberland boots. I'm going to buy another white because if I love something, I don't ever want to lose it. So when I'm done with one, or one is becoming old, or somebody says, oh, give me one, and I say take, I should still have something to fall back on. This is me, and you've seen my walk-in wardrobe. I want to appreciate you for watching this vlog. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit notification button so you don't miss my next update. I'm Harrison Tito.